Want to show you is a method I use for stripping cilantro leaves. I just use a comb I bought at Walmart for about $1 or 2. I use the big tooth end of the comb. I just hold the cilantro by the stems and just strip it away with the comb. You'll have to, as you can see, remove the leaves out of the comb every once in a while. But I find it's a pretty fast and effective method for stripping the leaves off of it. It's not the 100% clean method, but it works pretty dang good. You'll see some special tools here on the screen that I bought off Amazon, and I just find them not to be very effective in terms of time savings. I also saw online where people were using forks. I've tried it and it works, but I don't think it's as fast as the comb method that I've been using. Let me know in the comments if you like this and if it works good for you. It's a cheap and fast method. I use a lot of cilantro, and it's the only way that I like to do it. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.